We make, we create, we draw, and we paint, and we learn, and we play in the STEAM Lab Club every day.
Hi friends, and welcome to the STEAM Lab Club. I'm Miss Lauren and this is
Coach Jerry.
And friends, today we are going to be making some putty. How does that sound? Edible Play-Doh.
And you can eat it.
Woohoo! So friends, let's get right to it and see what we need for today. Okay friends, we need a large bowl, Caleb. We need a spoon, Colby, to mix. We need some measuring cups, Pablo. We also need some salt, 1 cup of salt. We need 1 tablespoon of oil. And we need cold water. And we are going to take our flour.
Flour.
All right, Coach
here.
Jerry, you think you can measure out some flour for us?
I'm pretty good at it. Let me try.
We need 2 cups of flour.
2 cups. Okay.
2 cups.
So this is 1 cup. Alrighty, and here's how you get a cup out. I'm gonna show you this real fast. Okay, Ronan and Camden are also here. Alrighty. Shake it out a little bit.
Shake.
And look, it's just right at the top. And we need 2 of these. And are we doubling ours?
I think we should double it. What do
We
you
are
think?
doubling ours. So we have to do,
What's 2 plus 2, friends? 2 plus 2. Type it in the chat. How many fingers do I have up?
2 plus 2.
Who knows?
My friends only need to do 1, but there's 2 of us, so we need to double the ingredients.
That's right, Caleb. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Awesome job. Woohoo!
So far we
That's
have...
right, Kobe. 4 fingers.
This is gonna make a lot of Play-Doh. I don't know if I can eat all of this Play-Doh.
Oh,
This looks...
I'll help you out.
Looks like a lot here. Gee whiz. Okie dokie.
Alrighty, so we have our flour. Can you think of what the next ingredients is that we need to put in? Do you think it's something dry or something wet? What do you think?
Dry?
That's right. Up next, we are going to put our salt. So how much salt do we need? Do you remember?
1 cup?
You're right. But if we're doubling it, how many do we need?
2 cups!
That's right. So we're gonna take our salt. That's right, Kobe. 2 cups of salt. Do you want to pour it in?
Yep. There we go. 1. Now you'll only need 1, remember. There's 1. And... oh, perfect. 2.
Perfect. 2. All right, so now that we have our dry ingredients, we're gonna mix. Come on, mix. Come on, friends. Mix. Keep mixing. Awesome job, everyone. Now, what do you think we need to do? Is this Play-Doh?
Let me check it out.
Does that look like Play-Doh?
I can't make anything with this.
No.
Oh, gee whiz.
So we need to add our wet ingredients. So can you think of what wet ingredients we need? Water and oil. So first we're gonna start with the water, friends.
Okay.
We need 1 cup of water.
All right. Whoa.
But since we're doubling it, how many do we need?
What's 1 plus 1?
1 plus 1.
2.
That's right.
Nice work, Kobe.
Awesome, Caleb. Ronan, that's right, friends. Now, what do we need to add next?
Well, I only have oil and Jell-O and food coloring left.
So let's add our oil.
Okie dokie.
So we're gonna do 1 tablespoon of oil, friends.
Okay,
One
so
tablespoon.
this looks like it's smaller. 1.
And we need how many? 2,
2.
since we're doubling it.
There we go. That's good.
Okay, friends, what do you think we need to do next? Since we have all our ingredients in, it's time to make some Play-Doh. So Coach Jerry, you wanna mix?
Yeah,
And then I'll go after, let's see.
So we just take the bowl, or do we use our hands?
You could use both, the spoon and your hands.
Okay, let's get this started. Alrighty, just mix it up a little bit. Oh man, this is a good mix.
It's looking good, friends. Mix, mix, mix. That's right, Kobe. Mix, mix, mix.
Is everybody mixing? How's yours looking? Well, if it's green, that's probably not right.
Alrighty, friends, and remember, you could add either more oil or more flour depending on the consistency of it, okay? So, should we feel it up and check?
I think so.
What do you think? All
Yeah.
right. Oh, it actually feels pretty good. Let's mix some more. Don't eat it yet.
Well,
We gotta
I
play
was
with it
smelling
first.
We want to get all the flour in, it looks like. Well, I bet this is perfect if we add
It's
the
actually
Jell-O.
really good.
How's yours coming?
Keep mixing, friends. It's a lot. It's an arm workout. Come on.
Ooh!
Mix, mix, mix.
Look at mine. It's turning into a ball.
This is so
Working.
cool.
Wow.
What does it smell like? Does it smell like anything yet, friends?
It smells like outside. That's what it smells like. A little bit outside. Probably because of the flour, which is made from wheat.
That's right.
And we're gonna try a little bit of the sugar Jell-O, which I'll definitely get.
Ooh, and
Put in
some
mine.
food coloring, friends. What color should I try? I have red, blue, green, and yellow. Let me know what color I should try, friends. Alrighty, friends. Oh, someone wrote in the chat. Let's see. Ooh, Caleb said green. All right, Caleb. Let's add some green food coloring.
Green?
Alrighty, I'm adding some green. Time to mix. Let me lift it up and I'm gonna mix. Oh, yeah.
Ooh, I got blue and I got red and blue. You know what? Here's what I'm gonna do. I already had it out. Red and blue mixed is what? Purple!
Oh, my friends are saying blue, Coach Jerry.
Oh no. Well, I mixed Caleb's, Ronan and Camden and Kobe's all together, and I think it's gonna make purple. I'm
Well,
not sure.
Let's see. How's my green Play-Doh looking? It's looking good. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more flour also.
And then what if it's too dry? What would you add?
Oil or water?
Mine didn't turn any color.
Do you want to add some food coloring to it?
Yep.
Let's add some food coloring. What color should we add?
Well, they said blue, so
right.
let's go for a blue. I think I'm flipping this all over. We're getting a little messy here.
All right, let's add some blue food coloring.
Whoa! This is really cool now.
Alrighty, friends. How's everyone
cool.
doing?
You know what? I think I can do red.
Add some red to it.
Yeah. Watch how cool this is gonna be. There you go. I'll just mix that around a little bit. Whoa. Look at that.
And it smells good.
Huh. This looks like... Whew. This looks like America right here. With this red, white, and blue. Let's do a face or a ball with Play-Doh.
Yeah, let's make a ball. How about that? So we gotta roll, roll, roll. Come on, friends.
I'll show you how it's done, alrighty? First, just take a little of this Okay? Once you have it like this, just squish it together a little. Now watch my hands to make a ball. You want to put them together and you want to roll it around while pushing down a little bit. Okay, watch from the top. Okay, so I'll take it and I'll roll it around with this hand. Just like this, and then like this. If you're pushing too hard, it'll turn into this, a flying
pancake.
saucer or a pancake. Whoa, but look how pretty that is. See mine?
It
Turn
looks
into like a little
pancake.
spiral thing. That is neato, burrito. Okay, so we just keep rolling it around.
How's this looking?
That's pretty good.
It's looking good.
Now watch this. If we set it here, and we just take a pencil, just a simple pencil, we poke one eye, and then right next to it, we poke another eye, okay? Then we take this again, right down in his mouth. Oh, and look at that. We just turn it around, and looky here, we have a face.
Whoa! That's so cool!
That was easy. Yeah, it sure was. And now you guys know how to make faces. And we can make all kinds of things with the faces. All right, we can make like, little elves or little gnomes or your favorite superhero or...
Add some hair, right?
Yeah,
Some glasses.
all kinds of hair. And I'm going to show you that real quick. How can we make other shapes out of this Play-Doh? Well, let me show you this trick again. Okay, now we have the ball here, right? We know how to make that. That's this motion, like this. Now, what if I just go in this motion? Up and down. Watch from the side, from the top. Ready? You see it? I'm just moving this one. Okay, and look at that. Turns into like a little snake or a little wormy. See? And that's all you got to do. You just take it in your hand and do that. Back and forth, and you got a little snake.
All right, Coach Sherry, I think it's time to maybe try our edible Play-Doh.
Yeah, I think so too.
What do you think?
I think that's a great idea. So I'm gonna take my pet snake. I'm just gonna see how this guy tastes.
Oh! Is it good?
No, it's terrible.
Is it salty?
It's very salty. It may be edible, but I do not suggest it.
Alrighty, friends, let's see your Play-Doh. So if you want to share, type it in the chat and we could turn on your camera, okay, friends? And friends, you could actually save this. You could put it in a plastic bag and save it for later. That way you could play with it more.
And it's better than the real Play-Doh because why? Because you can just add water or flour to make it just how you want it again, okay? Because I'm gonna turn this into a baseball.
Ooh,
Go throw some pitches later.
that sounds cool.
Yeah, it does.
Woohoo!
Yeah.
Alrighty, friends, we will see all of you next time for the STEAM Lab Club. Bye, everyone. Bye, friends. We'll see you next time.
Oops. Bye.
We make, we create, we draw, and we paint, and we